1, 2, 3.
Hey guys. Today we're gonna be showing you guys how to kill the game at school. How to slay. We're just gonna be like glowing up today for school because your girl here is entering her first year of high school, nerdy. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, you probably know that I'm homeschooled, which a lot of people think that homeschoolers just like sit in their house all day, which we actually don't. This is also just to help you guys out too, so let's just get started with the face. Okay, so we all know that most of us anyway wake up looking like garbage. Whenever I went to the Glossier store in New York, I got the sample of the priming moisturizer, so I'm going to be putting that all over my face because I personally, for school especially, like to look very glowy and moisturized, I guess. I am going to be putting on just a little bit of concealer because like the first day of school I feel like is the most important because first impressions, you know. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal underneath my eyes and any problematic area. Why did I say problematic? Then I'm just using my finger. I think it actually gives the best application when you're only putting a little bit of makeup on. I'm not going to be setting that because I like the way it looks whenever my face is just fresh. And I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer, which I think I've used that in every makeup video I've done, but like, and I'm just warming up my cheeks and my forehead and a little bit of my nose with this. Then I'm going to use the, I got the new, it's not really that new, but the Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm is amazing. The color, I think it's the perfect color for my skin tone, so I live for it. And it takes the tiniest bit or else you look like a clown, so you have to be super careful. Okay, we're gonna go with more blush today than desired. One complaint, I wouldn't even call it a complaint, but one thing about the Glossier Cloud Paints that I don't love is that they do tend to wear off a little, which is pretty sad, but I just find that they last way longer if you set them with a powder blush too. It looks crazy at first, but then it kind of settles into your skin and looks pretty natural and it stays all the day long. And then for the subtlest highlight, I'm going to use the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Glowy stuff and put that on the high points of my cheeks and my nose. And I'm just going to pat that in with my fingers. Next for my eyebrows, I'm going to put a little bit of the Glossier Boy Brow on in the shade Clear just to keep them staying put all day long. I forgot to do this, but one thing I would do when you wake up and you're like getting ready is put the Milk Makeup Cooling Water or any sort of eye cream that will moisturize and like depuff your eyes, I guess. I really recommend this one because it works wonders, baby. Okay, my camera stopped recording and I don't know when it stopped recording, but basically I'm just putting some lip gloss on my lips, and this is the e.l.f. clear lip gloss. Then I'm going to quickly set my face with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray, so that the makeup will last all day and it will sink into the skin and look so good. So yeah, dash the makeup. Most days I normally just wear my hair like natural and just put like 2 little clips in, but on days when I really want to be a little more fancy, a little more froof, a little more, I don't know. Another thing I like to do is take my hair back like this and put a ponytail in it and just do it once so that it kind of stays like that. Then I like to take this little scarf necktie thing and bring it over the ponytail and take that holder I had out. I'm also looking in a mirror, so if I'm not looking at you guys, I'm sorry. Then I just tie that up in a cute little low pony, and I actually normally make these little things shorter. So this is the second hairstyle. You could also put some pins. I mean, most of you guys probably don't have growing out bangs, but I'm just gonna leave my little bangs down like that, and I just have this super cute little ponytail. You could also make like a little bow if you wanted, but I like the way it looks when they are down, like so. Now for the outfit, man. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope this helps you guys out. I hope you guys have a good first day at school, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, my mans.